Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Enly Self Study. Today I am before you with some important board questions from the chapter Trigonometry. So now let's see. Let's see how to do this question. In a right angle triangle UVW, right angle at W, and if sine U equal to sine V, show that angle U equal to angle V. So what we have to do is we have to draw a right angle triangle. So draw a right angle triangle UVW. So U, V and W, given that it is right angled at W. So what we can write here is in triangle UVW, angle W is equal to 90 degree and the given condition is sine U equal to sine V. That is the given condition. Now, what is sine u according to the triangle? Sine u is opposite by hypotenuse. So, we can write it is VW divided by hypotenuse is UV and this is equal to sine V. Sine V means opposite will be UW, opposite is UW and hypotenuse is UV. So, we can see that UV we can cancel so that we will get VW is equal to UW. So in a triangle, if two sides are equal, then the angles opposite to them are also equal. So therefore we can write then angle U will be equal to angle V. And the reason is angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So this triangle is a right angled isosceles triangle. Now let's see how to do the second question. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, BC equal to 7 centimeter, AC minus AB equal to 1 centimeter. Determine the values of sin A and cos A. So the first thing is we have to draw the right triangle. It is right angled at B, so name it as ABC. Given that BC is 7 centimeter and the difference between the hypotenuse and the altitude, that is AC minus AB equal to 1 centimeter. So being a right triangle, we can start using the Pythagoras theorem. So according to triangle ABC, AC square is equal to hypotenuse square equal to altitude square, that is AB square plus base square, that is BC square. Now in this question, I'm going to take AB square to the left hand side. So we will get AC square minus AB square is equal to BC square. And given that BC is 7 centimeter, so we can write 7 square and that is equal to 49. Now, why I have taken AC square minus AB square? Because in the question, they have given a condition like AC minus AB. I'm going to make use of that. So, AC square minus AB square, I can write as AC plus AB into AC minus AB and that is equal to 49. Now we already know it is given that AC minus AB is equal to 1. So AC plus AB into 1 is AC plus AB and that is equal to 49. Now we are going to solve the two equations. First equation is AC plus AB is equal to 49 and the given condition is AC minus AB equal to 1. Now if we go for elimination method, just add the two equation. AC plus AC is 2AC. AB and plus AB and minus AB will get cancelled. 49 plus 1 is 50 and therefore you will get AC equal to 50 by 2 and that is 25 centimeter. Now already they have given you AC minus AB equal to, so we'll write that AC minus AB equal to 1. And you know what is AC? AC is 25. So 25 minus AB equal to 1 or AB equal to 25 minus 1, that is 24 centimeter. So AB is 24. Now using this we can easily find out. So I'm going to write here 24 and AC we got as 25. Using this, we can easily find the value of sin A and cos A. What is sin A? Sin A is equal to opposite. According to this angle, opposite side is BC, that is 7, divided by hypotenuse, that is AC, 25. And what is cos A? Cos A is equal to adjacent. According to this angle, adjacent side is AB, that is 24, divided by hypotenuse is again 25. So, the answer is sin A equal to 7 by 25 and cos A equal to 24 by 25. So, this is the answer.